Installing the stock mirrors on the MT03 is very straightforward. You just need a 14mm combination wrench. So the right mirror will screw in normally clockwise to tighten. You want to make sure there's enough threads holding the mirror down. So you screw it in almost all the way, adjust the angle in line with the handlebar, works reasonably well, so you can start there. Just hold it in position, tighten down the nut by hand clockwise, and then hold the mirror and crank it down a little bit more, and that should be solid. Now the left side mirror threads in the opposite way, so you're going to go counterclockwise to tighten it instead of clockwise, and again turn it in almost all the way. Back off a little bit, tighten the lock nut by hand, put approximately in line with the handlebar, and you're going to turn the nut counterclockwise to tighten. Again, it's the opposite of the right mirror, and you're done. Adjust the mirrors to your preference. Usually, you'll have to make another tweak once you're on the road, see if you can see the vehicles behind you. Final step is to put down these rubber sleeves to protect the nut, and you're done. If you found this information useful, please consider subscribing to be notified of future content.